In general, I think the way to combat these tariffs, because we don't exactly know how they're going to land and exactly how they're going to affect the construction cost. But I think the key is rather than form follows function, which you've probably heard before, I think now we're in a situation where form needs to follow finance. There's a couple strategies here to design more simple buildings. First thing I should mention is there is a statistic from National Association of Home Builder which stated that the average construction project is going to increase about $7,500 to $10,000. And if this statistic is true, in the grand scheme of any construction project that we're working on here in San Diego, I mean, that's so minuscule, it's barely going to affect the construction budget at all. But back to simplicity. I think there's a couple strategies here. You want to make sure you're working with an architect who completely understands framing, because the more simple the framing is, the less cost the construction would be. And this has nothing to do with the cost of framing necessarily, but it has to do with the labor involved in framing. So rather than designing these complicated, articulate buildings, we're going to propose in most scenarios that we're going to design more simple, more straightforward buildings